Can you rephrase the question?
Yes, when you put your hand close to your head, your left hand, close to the entrance and exit wound on the head, would you expect secondary injuries to the hand caused by bone and bullet fragmentation?
Bone and bullet fragmentation coming from the wound on the head? Or
wound on the head.
On the head?
Yes. You know there was splintering of the bone, the skull there. That we know, we've seen that. If it was in close proximity to that wound, would you expect to see that? Secondary injuries caused by bullet and bone fragmentation.
Where would the wound be, my lady? I don't understand the question.
On the hand. On that hand close to the head.
On the hand?
Yes.
Inside the bullet perforate the hand first or perforate the head? I don't understand.
Doesn't matter. If the hand was close to the head wound.
No, then where will the secondary wounds be?
Would you expect to find secondary wounds to the inside of the hand? If the inside of the hand was towards the head wound, would you expect to find secondary wounds caused by the bone fragmentation and bullet fragmentation?
Meaning the secondary wound on the arm, on the hand?
No, coming from the head.
My lady, I don't understand the question.
Let me repeat it. Have you seen the entrance and exit wound?
Of the head? Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen there was bone replacement?
There was bone replacement?
Yes. There's an open hole, there's bone missing.
Yes, I saw that.
Yes. And the bullet fragmented.
That's correct, my lady.
Now, if the hand was close to the head,
if the hand was close to
yes, the left hand.
Yes.
What would you have expected on the inside of the hand that was closest to the skull?
Of the hand?
Yes. What would have happened to these fragments, the bone fragments and the bullet fragments?
My lady, I wouldn't expect anything.
Why not?
The bullet is traveling to that direction, towards the back. Now, I can't expect the fragments to be to the opposite direction of the bullet. It's impossible.
If the hand was in the proximate, immediate position of the head wound, if the hand was there, what would you have expected?
If the hand was at the back, then I would expect that. But not if the hand was in the front. This? I wouldn't expect that.
I show you, illustrate, I put my hand there. It goes through the finger. What would you expect? Nothing.
Unless if you're talking about blood, then you can expect the back spatter from blood, whereby blood coming from the wound being spattered towards the back of the hand, but not the bullet fragment or not the bone fragments. I disagree with that.
An entrance wound?
Entrance wound on?
There's an entrance and an exit on the head.
That's correct, ma'am.
Yes. What would happen to the bones in the entrance wound?
What would happen to the?
What would happen to the bone fragments? Where would they go?
From the entrance wound?
Yes.
They'll go inside the wound, Malik.
Only inside, not outside?
Not outside. Inside.
And the exit?
The exit will go outside at the back. Now, they will create what you call beveling. The beveling, if it's in here and outside, beveling will be inside the head, and then the exit, the beveling will be outside the head towards the back.
How far must the hand be from the head to cause any injury to the hand caused by fragments? How far must it be from that wound, the exit wound?
My lady, if the hand is in front of the head, there won't be any wound caused on the head by the...
Not in front of, at the wound, at the proximate position of the wound.
My lady, I don't understand the question.
If I put my hand in a proximate position of the wound,
yes,
where would the fragments hit the hand?
Which fragment? The bone fragment. There won't be fragment coming back to the wound.
There won't be?
There won't be. I've never seen that in my entire career, my lady.
Have you done tests to determine the comparison between the similarity of sounds caused by a cricket bat on this door, on a Meranti door, and the firearm?
No, my lady.
You must have heard the version that the door was hit with a cricket bat and that it was shot through.
I know, my lady, that the door was hit with a cricket bat.
You were not asked to do any test to see if one sound could resemble the other?
No, my lady, I don't specialize in sounds, and I won't be able to differentiate the sounds.
Len, may I just ask for a 5 minutes? There's one aspect that I want to clear with Mr. Aldridge. Just a 5-minute adjournment.
5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes.
We'll adjourn for 5 minutes.
No more. eNCA.com